Hello, myself Sonal Ramakrishna. This is the next level part of the line meter. So here one person told that this is the basically sequence basically. But here one person basically from satellite basically grouped asked one question basically how and who decides here basically. We are actually not able to get the thing basically. But ultimately basically we have the control basically. But then also basically who is deciding basically? Because the satellite group also basically say that basically yeah, we also basically don't know basically. But that is possible basically. That is not possible basically. So here one person told that assume that basically there are 1 crore people basically going to give the data. And time is of 24 hours basically. So within these 25 hours basically this 1 crore has to be calculated basically. So how many millisecond or how many seconds basically each and every groups is going to get basically. And here basically the priority wise basically. Who is going to get send data basically first, who is going to send data second. So this everything is basically planned. So one person told that nothing basically can be stopped. Stop is not possible basically here. Somebody say that basically अरे भाई ये लगता है कुछ गड़बड़ करने वाला है रोक दो सब. That is not possible basically. Nothing can be stopped. If you will stop anything basically, the 20 crore child basically which is getting processed basically, that is going to affect basically. That is 100% basically it's going to affect basically. I am telling you basically. And that is going to affect you the future basically. So 1% to the future का तो क्या लेना देना यार basically. हम तो current का ही देख रहे हैं basically. So immediately basically the earthquake will come and that city will get end. I am telling you basically if you want to test this basically you test this basically 100 times. If you will say that basically we were not supposed to think of the future 100 times basically that city will end basically. Create the city 100 times basically it's going to end. So next you see.